So today in this video we're going to discuss about an important concept. The concept is regarding the step potential. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. So step potential is the dangerous voltage difference between the person's feet when they are near to an energized grounded object like fallen power lines, which causing the current to flow through the body and risks the severe shock or sometimes death. During an electrical fault, the current radiates outward by creating a voltage gradient in the ground, and a larger step between feet results in a greater potential difference and increase the risk by creating the decreasedness as you move further from the source. And safety involves by avoiding the area, reducing the ground resistance, and using the barriers to manage these hazards. So this was the basic regarding the step potential. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.